welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow look using this Rock Candy makeup palette from Colourpop, and it looks like this. So I think I'm going to try to do like a smoky look. I didn't put on any tape. I wasn't planning to use tape. I was just going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll see what I come up with. I just need to do something kind of quick, and I'm going more neutral for this meeting I'm going to, or maybe I won't go neutral. You just never know how it's going to turn out. It's all about the mood, and once you get started, how you're feeling. So what I'm going to first do is I want to take this color Crush, but instead I think I'm going to take this color Erupt first and put that in my crease and blend it out. Maybe I won't wing it out today. I don't know. Oh. I just want to go like a little bit deeper and darker, but I'm also wearing this red sweater. I'm not changing the sweater. I'm just going to leave this on because I have the ponytail on. I don't want to knock the ponytail off or ruin the makeup changing my clothes later, so I'm just going to go looking like this. I think to deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to use this color Strictly Tectonic right here. I don't know if you saw that, but this color here. And I'm using the same brush that I just took Erupt on. And we're just deepening up the crease a bit. Make sure both sides match. So as I'm deepening up the crease, I am like blending a little bit upwards, kind of taking the color out. Okay, we're gonna go back into Strictly Tectonic to keep trying to deepen it up some more. And I start on this outer corner area and then I bring it forward. And I blend in circular motions. Alright, I do want to use the black, but I'm not going to yet. So I want to take I'm just going to take this color Sentimental to kind of blend the edges here. So I can take that color, that shadow a little bit higher up. So just on the outer edges. And is this deep enough? Let's taking a smaller brush for my crease, and I'm going to take the black hot spot and I'm going to use windshield wiper motions here because I just want it here in my crease right now, and then I'm going to use the other brush I was using. now I'm going to take the Strictly Tectonic and I'm going to blend out the black in the crease. Okay, so that took a lot of blending. Now what I want to do is cut my crease a little bit. Now that I have my crease as deep as I want it, I'm just going to cut it a little bit and I'll be back to put on my lid color. So I've cut my crease and I took it all the way to the edge, but I think what I'm going to try to do is use this silver color solid and then transition it to this Pep Talk color on my lid. I don't know how I'm going to like that, but I'm just going to go ahead and try it and see. So we're going to go into solid first. I'm going to spray this Mario Badescu on my brush. And I'm just patting it on. Okay, I'm gonna kind of take it a little bit more than halfway, almost all the way across my lid, because I'm going to be mixing Pep Talk into it. Alright, so I have my little, I got this from TJ Maxx as well, the shadow switch. I'm just going to use that so I can keep using the same brush. And I'm going to go into Pep Talk and spray that. And I'm just going to start working that over top of solid. And I'm just patting it on. Okay, so I have those on. For the outer area, I don't know what I want to do just yet. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start building up this color dynamic here on the outer portion, and then I might just add the black in. We'll see. So I'm just going to pat it there and then softly blend it just here in this corner area. And I'm kind of like winging it out when I add it on there. Alright, now I'm just going to go in and add the black, which is Hot Spot. Just dab it there in the corner. Okay, and to kind of help tone the black a little bit down, I'm just going to go back to Strictly Tectonic. I'm not trying to tone it down, just to help blend it. So Strictly Tectonic was the initial brown that I used when I first started trying to deepen up my crease. Alright, now it's time to do the rest of my face and come right back. This is the completed look. I did not see this coming. I thought I was going to do something more toned down and soft, but once I started applying it, I just wanted to go deeper in my crease and smoked out, so that's what I did. And I smoked out my lower lash line with the color Hotspot, which is the black that is in this Rock Candy palette. So I'll show you again. So I just smoked it out with this color here. Didn't even do an inner corner. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. And yeah, this is it. I'll try to do a more neutral look next time, clearly. I already have a palette in mind, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you comment down below if you want to see another palette for me to use. All right, thanks for watching.